Here are some distinguishing features of viper snakes that can help with identification. 1. Head shape. Viper snakes have a distinctive triangular-shaped head that is wider than their necks. 2. Fangs. Viper snakes have long, hollow fangs that are used to inject venom into their prey. 3. Scales. Viper snakes have keeled scales, which means that they have a ridge down the center of each scale that gives them a rough texture. 4. Pupils. Viper snakes have vertical pupils, which are slit-shaped and help them to see in low light conditions. 5. Venom. Viper snakes are venomous and have glands that produce a potent venom that can be dangerous to humans. 6. Habitat. Viper snakes are found in a variety of habitats, including forests, grasslands, and deserts. 7. Size. Viper snakes come in a range of sizes, from small species that are only a few inches long to larger species that can grow up to several feet in length. 8. Coloration. Viper snakes can be a variety of colors, including brown, green, gray, and black, and many species have distinctive patterns or markings on their scales.